Okay, let's talk about faceless videos. Yup, the kind where you never have to show your face, but your voice and personality still shine through. First off, you need an avatar. There are tons of free and paid tools out there. Think DID, Ready Player Me, or even Canva's Avatar Maker. Pick one that fits your vibe, whether you want something cartoony, realistic, or even a bit quirky. Next, record your script in your own voice. Don't stress about having a pro setup. Your phone's mic works just fine to start. The trick is to sound natural, like you're chatting with a friend instead of reading off a page. Now, upload your voice recording and your script to your avatar platform. Most tools let you sync mouth movements and facial expressions with your audio. Play around with it. Adjust gestures, add some blinks, maybe a head tilt or two. This part's fun. It's where your digital self comes alive. Then, drop your avatar footage into a video editor. Add background music, on-screen text, or B-roll to make things pop. Remember, keep it snappy and don't overload your viewers with info. And that's it. With just a script, your voice, and a custom avatar, you're ready to make engaging, faceless videos that still feel totally you. So go ahead, let your avatar do the talking and watch your content game level up.